Hi everyone, we are here for an unboxing of TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless router. This router has 4 LAN ports, as you can see here in this picture. It has 4 LAN ports and 1 WAN port to connect to the internet. It also has one adapter port and a Wi-Fi router reset switch. It has got omnidirectional antennas, and those are of 2 numbers over here, and you can connect it to any wireless devices at home or in the office. To talk about the specifications here, we can see that this wireless router is 300 Mbps on 2.4 gigs. It has 2 fixed omnidirectional antennas, and as I have already told you that it has 1 WAN port and 4 LAN ports. The dimensions, however, is 7.2 into 5.0 into 1.4 inches, which if you convert into mm, it will be 182 by 128 by 35 mm. The package is pretty new over here, so we're going to open this package right now. But whatever contents in the package, the contents of the package are like you have one router, one power adapter, one RJ45 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. This is what the package says. So let us go ahead and unbox this particular router. Just scratch it through with a screwdriver. Let's see. Packing seems pretty sturdy though. It's got a thin plastic layer packing just for the initial thing. Okay, and here it goes. We're going to open it by this side. It's just upside down. So this is the front face. So whenever you're opening the package, make sure that the logo of the router or the picture of the router is on top, so that you can slide out the carton box over here. Alright, in the packing, as usual, it is said that there are some user manuals. This is a multi-mode router, so it meets all your needs. This is what it says. It's a quick installation guide over here. You can go through if you feel like. For pros, it's not required because you might have been installing a lot of routers, so you know what needs to be done. And this is probably a general public license notice. Okay, so here is the router. This is the base router. It looks pretty sturdy, and it's very lightweight too. You will have one cellophane paper wrapping on top of the router just to prevent damage on this router. The power button is significant here, or I don't know what it is. We will need to switch on the router to check it out. Okay, as we said that this is an omnidirectional antenna and it rotates a full 180 degrees. So you can adjust the antennas the way you want it to be when you fix the router. And if you just have a look at the router below, the bottom of the router, you can see all the MAC address and serial numbers and yeah, the SIDs and everything over here. And they give the default username and password as admin and admin, so when you're configuring, so that will not be a problem. Okay, and let's go to the back panel. The back panel has, just as mentioned in the picture, it has one reset switch here. You have 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN port to connect to the internet, and by the way, you can if you don't have internet connection, doesn't matter. You can use these LAN ports for to have, if you have 4 computers, you can have 4 LAN ports working as a switch as well. So, and this is the adapter port, and this is the 180 degrees rotating antennas. It's pretty cool, and the antennas are pretty long too. It works on 2.4 gigs, so we'll set aside this router for some time. And we have an RJ45 cable. The cable structure seems a little bit lame in terms of the packaging, they say. but that's okay. If it's coming in a packaging like this, then I am ready to accept this, but it totally depends on you. This is the power adapter. When you switch on, if you need to switch on the router before you need to configure the online net configurations, and this is the power cable, which power adapter, which fits behind. So I'll just show you the minimal connections over here in this video as well, just for you to get started when you need to configure stuffs. So the power adapter here goes into the power slot, and please keep in mind that the power adapter goes into one slot alone, so that you need to be very careful of. And this is the RJ45 cable. Well, when you are connecting to the ISP, the internet service provider, they will have one cable of their own, so that cable will go in here. So there is no point connecting this, because this cable has been provided to connect to any one of the computers in order to configure this particular router. So I will be opening this cable here in front of you, and I'll just show you where this can fit in. Again, I'm saying that for the pros, it's not quite required, because you already know. I'm just showing this video is specifically for those who might get confused at times when they are doing their first installations, maybe a little bit of freelancing job they're doing. So here you go, just plug it inside in any one of the switch port, and it gets connected here. So the other end goes to the NIC port of the computer. So this is the port which goes to the NIC port, and from there you can configure this particular router. In the next video, we will show you how to configure the router in an ADSL space when you have a IP address from a service provider, and how you configure the router. And if you don't have a IP, how you can configure it to the nail through the LAN configuration. And all these things we will show you in one by one. Please do like our channel, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. And this is Banerjee here with you from Amazon Business Service. If you would like to order this router, definitely let us know. We are delivering all over India, so you can contact us, and we will give the links and descriptions below, so you can contact us anytime. We are 24/7 open, so it doesn't matter. Till then, this is the TP-Link review. Have a nice day, lovely day, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.